What the fuck? Biggest bull run ever, huh? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, man. Yeah, okay. Oh, the slaughterhouse, man. We're at the slaughterhouse. I mean, it looks like we're bouncing, but we're really not. I opened like quite a large short ETH at 83.5, an ETH short, and I opened a Mu long around. I'm sorry, 82.5. I opened the E short, and I opened the Mu long around 82.3. I'm just watching them fluctuate wildly right now. So whatever happens, happens. But one of those is going to absolutely send. Until then, what's happening? Let's see, man. Bitcoin's getting wrecked up the ass, man. Since Trump said Mr. Tariff Man, since Mr. Tariff Man entered our life, we're getting fucking wrecked, man. Boom. Boom. That was a beautiful little pumpy. Boom. Motherfucker, dude. Oh, God. Someone pissed in Ethereum's face. I mean, the daily looks like it's going to bounce, maybe. Maybe this afternoon, then. I don't know. I don't think we're bouncing right now. Holy fuck, man. Oh, even Pepe got wrecked. Oh, man, what a fucking day to wake up early after working 100 hours in the hospital. Holy shit, it's not what you like to wake up to. Cool. Thank you, Trump, dude. Well, my ETH short is sending, at least. It's a 25x. I was doing 40s on ETH, but with the volatility over the past couple of days, it's kind of hard to do a 40. This is basically the altcoin index. I mean, it's all following the macro, honestly. That's all it is. Just all following the fucking macro. But unfortunately, alts dump a lot harder, man. And I expect we're going back here. I don't know. I mean, 82.5 was like an okay support. Yeah, right around here. And it like clearly broke that. So it's not looking good, man. To be very honest. It's not looking juicy, guys, to say the least. On my fourth cup of coffee. It's 10 o'clock. Excellent. Fucking excellent. Like, honestly, there's not much point to like look at specific charts other than Bitcoin because it's all just dumping if Bitcoin keeps dumping. Yeah, and like I've been telling people for like 2 months not to buy the dip. Like whatever you do, you shouldn't be buying into weakness. That's just stupid. Like you're not buying 10 million, are you? So you're not moving the price or creating a FOMO. So you certainly shouldn't be buying until it's bouncing. And it hasn't bounced. Like there's been like bullshit. Like yesterday you knew it was bullshit too, this week. Um unfortunately I was in fucking kickboxing, so I couldn't short at the appropriate time, but man, Trump fucked us real good. Thank you, man. Thank you, Trump. The best thing is these cocksuckers. They're like sitting up there and they're losing so much fucking money. Like Brian Armstrong and Sailor at least isn't like near as much of a kiss ass. Um, like Lutnick, some of these other guys, they're losing like a fuck ton of money, and they're like up there thanking Trump. And I'm like, what the fuck are you guys doing, man? You have no shame. So to be a billionaire, you have to like suck cock, basically. I mean, I don't do that. I mean, if you do, I guess it's cool. I mean, I benefit from that, but it's crazy. It's just fucking crazy. They were all up there thanking him, like, "Oh, Mr. President." Like, yeah, bro, Bitcoin was 108K before Mr. President. So I don't know what you're thanking him for. Taking us to the slaughterhouse, bro. Wrecked fucking city. Like, if you're just tuning in, please stop DCAing. If you've been DCAing for the past 2 months, you're fucking nuts, dude. People don't really seem to realize that there's a really good chance you break down to the 50s here. And like, it's actually possible. This is not something that happens every 5 years. Like, the news that Trump is announcing yesterday is really big fucking news, man. And there's just so much uncertainty, and uncertainty is the worst thing for the markets that you could actually ever have. You'd rather have a clear bearish or a clear bullish sentiment, but it's just all uncertainty, which is really bad for the markets. The volumes are really down, so like you really need to understand that there's a really decent probability of breaking back to the 50s, 60s. And if that happens, these fucking garbage altcoins are gonna go down another 10x, man. They're already down 90%. You're talking about going down another like 40% on these alts, actually. It's a fucking crazy. Mo sent a really good Degen play, I think, that was pumping, but I fucking I woke up and it was too late to enter. No, that's not it. What the fuck? It was really pumped up, yeah. It was up to like 1.1 million actually. So yeah, I know, man. I know. Thank you for reminding me. So what are we doing, man? Yeah, we're trying to dump back down here. I mean, I told you guys like last night. I said this is a really good chance of this just being a dead cat bounce. But boom, the cat is dead. I mean, I'd expect another dead cat bounce, and then boom, the cat dies. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, it's coming. Oh, 5% gains, Bitcoin sending. Boom. This is what you're expecting to see, okay? Like, I'm not like if you're watching this and you're not a trader only and you're like a spot investor, like wait to buy spot. especially on alts. Like, let's say that Bitcoin pumps back up to 85K, and we're kind of, I mean, here's the EMA now on the daily, so it's even higher. So let's say we pop back around here, you can consider buying, but I would really wait till about 92. And if we get to 92, these alts are only going to be up like 10, 20% at most. Then it will pump. After 92, if we leg up, alts will actually pump a lot. So, like, if you wait till 92 to buy them, you're buying a probable confirmed breakout on Bitcoin. It's a lot safer, and you're paying 10 to 20% more. But if you're playing alts, you're playing for 10 to 100%, 100% gains, right? I mean, you're playing at least for 100% gains if you're playing alts. Like, so what is 10 to 20% to be safe with your money? I think it's definitely worth being safer than just guessing and getting wrecked. Like, you guess and oh man, I bought the dip yesterday. Look, Bitcoin's down 1K since you bought the dip, and your alts are down 5%. You see? So wait until you see some shit like, you know what I'm going to buy? Here. When I see the trend reversal, I'm going to either catch it right here, or I'm going to buy for the next leg up on the trend reversal. If I miss this, which I'm probably not, because I stare at charts all fucking day. I'm not seeing a trend reversal. So why would I buy? Like, I mean, it's almost like people forgot we've been to say we've been down here this year. So this is not maximum pain. Fucking, they need to make a bear coin, grizzly bear coin, man. Shit should be pumping. Yeah, dude, we might as well just degen right now. I mean, the market's so shit. Wow, Sui might be bouncing soon. Well, also could be dead cat bouncing. Boom. The stochastic looked really bad on that. No. 3 minutes? Who does that? What's oh shit? I mean, you could make an argument that they're really fucking oversold. Not Mew. I mean, you could really make an argument that it's fucking 2. That's like the only thing that I have positive to say about the market is the daily RSI is cooked on most of this shit. Especially alts, like Tron just ran, but like anything that didn't just have a pump is just totally cooked on the RSI. But like that's not reliable enough. I mean, to say good things are coming. You could get like a little bit of an oversold bounce though. And the market could digest that for a day and then just dump it and say, "Oh well, you were oversold. Your RSI reset. Now we'll sell you some more." And that's what a dead cat bounce kind of is. Wreck City. See, this actually looks decent if you want to try something, but you're still quite early on an entry like that. But if you're like just a fucking real degenerate, I'm gonna try see this. It's really risky. Feels good, man. What is this, dude? No, I really didn't ask. It's one of the best movies. Let's see if anything is happy today. Fun coin. What happened to Mr. Fun coin, bro? Yeah, it's got to be this one. Shit pumpied. Shit pumpied. Holy smokes, that shit pumpied. No, man. What? What? Act is alive? Thought someone shot that shit. If it's a bounce, it could be the most beautiful bounce in history, though. Fucking dare you. I fucking dare you. I mean, you could take it actually and just set an SL. I mean, the upside is ridiculous. Fucking A, man. This shit could get dumped off any second with this volume, though. Be a really risky play. So we still haven't declared which way we're going. It's 10:30 in the morning on the Eastern time zone, and we have still not declared which way we are fucking going. It's not good, man. It's not fucking good. Yeah, that's much better. Thank you. See, this is moving if you got that when I called it. But it depends, like, is Bitcoin going to actually bounce here? If we bounce here, I'm looking to take profits here on my longs. If we don't bounce here, I'm looking to take profits here on my shorts. Make sense? It's an estimate, man. You can't ever be exact with this shit, guys. You really can't. And if you think you can, you're going to get burned. And if you think you're going to be right all the time, you're going to get fucking burned too. Anyone that say, oh, Bitcoin is so bearish, it's 100% going down, it's definitely going down, they don't know what they're talking about. And anyone that says, like, oh, alt season is tomorrow is also delusional. You have to respect the trend. And here, the trend is definitely in the downside. So if you're going to long go long against the trend, you better hedge yourself. Tron looks good again. If they can wick it back down to here. Nobody gives a fuck about Degen today. Let's have some fun, man. Zyno called this at like 8 million, guys. Is this the same Ghibli coin that everyone is always like nonstop posting about? It's only 8 million? The fuck? Another Binance dump? What the fuck? Crypto's got to chill with that shit. Like the butt coin and ass coin, like that shit is funny, but like all that racist shit, they need to like really calm the fuck down, man. Where's the fucking volume on this piece of trash? It's pretty good. Ass coin. So that's my entry here. Let's see. Let's see what happens, man. The volume is going up. At least a lot up, down. This must have been the tariff chat right here. You see, the thing is like, and the reason you don't want to totally exit the market is because there's still a lot of catalysts left. And there is a chance that a lot of this tariff shit has been priced in over the past week, even before yesterday. And I mean, yesterday's pump was clearly for some people that wanted to de-risk. They just ate the markets and sold up here, like 100%. That's what happened. A lot of the people that were like, "Oh, we're definitely tanking," they have a lot of money. They just bought, and then they dump at break even or maybe even a little bit of profit, and now they're just watching. That's all this was. It was a fake out. Like, and if you didn't see that coming, then I wasn't. You bet your ass I wasn't buying crypto yesterday like a degenerate. Like, yeah, you want to make money, but you also need to protect your capital because you're not running these markets; they are, and it's the odds are against you. Trust me, because you got lucky on one trade doesn't make you good at this shit. Yeah, yeah. So, like, sorry, what I was saying is there's still like quite a few catalysts for the market to bounce. Um, you have quantitative easing, you have rate cuts, um, you have the actual possibility that the tariffs work. It's something no one's really talking about. But you do have the actual possibility that the tariffs work and countries back down. And if that happens, not only is that kind of positive for the U.S.'s bank account, but the sentiment in the market will shift a little bit. If countries like China's not going to do it, but other countries are like, you know what, we'll pull back on our tariffs. So the United States will pull back on their tariffs, and then that would really be pretty also bullish for the market. So that's another catalyst. So you've got the fact that tariffs might work. You've got the fact that Fed might quantitative ease. You've got the fact they might rate cut. You've got the other big possibility that Trump is retarded, which he is, and he just says, "Oh man, I think we're gonna, pull back a little bit on the tariffs, guys. It's huge. It's huge, and we've already accomplished so much." Like one country will pull back and go back against it, and then Trump will be like, "Oh, we've accomplished what we needed." Like he could do that. He's crazy, or he could just soften it at any point. And if that happens again, the markets will bounce. They will react positively. So what I'm saying is that that's at least four catalysts right there. Oh, and then the fifth catalyst is that countries actually start aping Bitcoin. I mean, it's going to happen. That's for sure. The United States is definitely discussing how to purchase Bitcoin without using taxpayer money. Let me get some water. So yeah, they're definitely discussing how to buy Bitcoin with the tax without taxpayer money. And if you do that, then China's going to buy, then Russia's going to buy, then Saudi's going to buy. Everyone's going to fucking buy Bitcoin. So the price is going up regardless at that point. Doesn't matter what's going on with the market. That's why I've also said that I think that Bitcoin will decouple again from the Nasdaq when all of this macro shit kind of ends, because Bitcoin has more catalyst than the Nasdaq at this point, because of exactly what I said. You know, governments are now trying to buy Bitcoin. And that's a fact. I mean, that's not like an opinion. It's just a fact. And when they do start buying it, it's going to fucking pump. Like, so that's five really big catalysts for us. And then let's see let's take a look at what we haven't talked about in a while, man. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, that's another catalyst, but not this time, huh? You'd expect Bitcoin to do well when the dollar drops, but I think the tariffs just scared the shit out of everyone too much. Wow. Bitcoin dominance is literally broken out. It's just sending. We're fucked on alts, man, for so long, for quite a while, guys. This recovery is just, I don't know, dude. Someone vomited on Simon's cat. Holy smokes, dude. What a fucking fuckfest, Mr. Trump, you dipshit. I'm not Republican. I'm not Democrat. I don't give a shit about politics, but I care about the money that we are spending for this government to take away from us and then to dump our fucking investments on top of that. I mean, you have to understand that people are talking about abortion and gun laws and all of this shit. And that's like, man, fuck, that stuff's not going to change right now. And uh, it's like the real issue you have here is that the American people have no fucking services. You're paying for education, you're paying for health, you're paying for the roads you use, you're paying for fucking everything, and you're not getting anything back. You can't even go to the hospital without paying like $10,000. You want to get your teeth fixed, your copay is 5K. I mean, to send your kids to a school, you're looking at for 15, 16, 18 years, you're gonna pay like $300,000, man. The country is giving absolutely nothing back to its citizens. That's the fucking problem that nobody wants to discuss. They're just talking about all of this politics and shit. And Trump is fucking us, as you can see, even more. That's why I'm not following the politics. I'm following the money, and we have no fucking money. And they're saying, "Oh, I dropped the price of gas and dropped the price of oil." Oh, isn't that good? But look at the price of the U.S. dollar in your hand now. So it's essentially the same. It's literally the fucking same. Oh, eggs were $7, but the dollar was also here when I was buying $7 eggs. Now eggs are $5 and the dollar's here. So what's the difference? You see, people don't know what the fuck they're looking at, man. And what they're voting for and this shit. I've never voted either. I'll just be very blunt. Looks like the short is going to be the one to pump today. Not what you wanted to see, but what you're going to get, probably. Look. Since presidency, let's just be very real with what things have looked like since Mr. Trump joined office. Fuck you. Boom. Boom. Dumped below into a bear market. By definition, this is a bear market. Okay. That's the 200-day MA. By definition, we're in a bear market now. Just so you can see it with your own eyes. This is all since presidency. By definition, the US dollar is in a bear market. And gold is fully sending. So that just means recession, basically. That's all it means. And like, you need a catalyst to change that. And if you don't get those catalysts, you're going to be looking at these levels down here probably. On Bitcoin, you're going to be looking at this for months, okay? So your buying and hodling is going to turn into hodling dust for a while. And if you're hodling shit, you should probably sell it to USDT. Because shit's not going to bounce. Solana will bounce. Pepe would bounce. Dogecoin would bounce. Ethereum, I don't know if it will bounce. Sui will bounce. Tron will bounce. Brett's going to bounce. Some things will bounce. Mu's going to bounce. You say this because you've seen these for years bounce. For 2 years now, some of these are bouncing all the time. But to be very real, like smaller shit, like Moo might not bounce, man. Like shit like this, Fog might not bounce. Act is probably not going to bounce. Turbo has a high probability of not bouncing based off what I've watched for the past 2 months. Caspa has a very high probability of not bouncing as well, at least for some time. So, if you don't bounce, your dust is going to stay dust on a lot of these. Shit like Pepe, it might go down a bit, but it's not going to stay dust. I think kind of the same with Brett. But some of these, like, you need to really de-risk, man, and you accept the loss and make it back up on the way up. You see, the RSI is not even telling me to enter yet. So, I mean, there's a good chance we touch this, like I told you. Then we're going to long for the bounce back to probably here because we're weak. I don't even think we'll make it back to the 0.786. So we're gonna look for the play here. Boom, right? We're gonna take profit on the shorts. We're gonna open the longs. Boom. Sell the longs, open the shorts. Boom. We're gonna have to reset the fib at that point. But that's what you're looking at. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I see. I gotta check in with my mom, dude. My mom keeps me updated on this politics shit. Like she gives me. My mom is like a really hardcore into politics, and like she's a hardcore anti-Trumper. I didn't give a shit. Now I'm an anti-Trumper because he's lost me so much fucking money. But my mom's like a big anti-Trumper for like political reasons and shit. So she like keeps me updated with everything. Like she was giving me the tariff update before I saw him. I mean, what the fuck? We tariffing Vietnam, dude. Where is Nike? Is Nike in Vietnam? What is that? I got dumped. Holy smokes, dude. It's fucking crazy. I mean, I can't believe the dollar got wrecked that hard. Nobody's talking about it yet. It's going down more too. It's going down more. The US dollar. Wow. Man, talk about tanking the fucking dollar, bro. Fucking Mike, dude, get out of here, bro. It'll be a good day when I get to go to the gym and kick someone in the head. That'll make the day fun for me, dude. But I like the mindset, Mike. Maybe I can remodel my brain. What? Give me a second. Yep. So, boom. Just like I told you, we're getting that dump. And then we're actually probably getting ready to long here again, okay? I'll be back in like 5 minutes, guys. All right, back to it. Did we touch? Yeah, we did. We could bounce off that. You could potentially open longs at 81 too. What is it? Yeah, 81 too, basically. I'd leave your shorts open. I'm pretty far from entry now. Still done. Rec City, man. Still can't decide. Are you gonna bounce? Can probably start opening and hold in case it dumps. These are high risk as fuck plays right now. Wow. It's not the bounce is not confirmed. Don't get so excited. And even if it's a bounce, it's probably a dead cat. So, but you can still scalp. Heath is a piece of shit, man. Look. Heath is such garbage. Holy smokes, man. Did somebody say garbage truck? Yeah, man. Like, come on, dude. At some point, will you chill the fuck out? Volatility peaked yesterday for those of you watching. At least in the recent. Yeah. Volatility peaked yesterday with Trump in Bitcoin history. Go fucking figure. Oh, fuck. Ooh, wrecked. Wreck City, bitch. Wreck City, bitch. That's your time to try a Bitcoin long or anything. I mean, we tickled it. Again, I wouldn't be selling my short yet. Oh, So that's kind of a support there. How much more the volumes were even then, though. Fucking Trump just deflated the markets, man. That's just a cascade of liquidations. These are buy orders. Someone said it's going to bounce it. Nah, dog. It's also a weird place to put your buy orders. If anything, you should have put your buy orders at 80.2. I smell Rec City. Holy mother of fuck. Rec City, man. How does it feel to watch your hopes and dreams just get savagely wrecked in front of your eyes? It's going to be a good day, though. I need to get some more coffee, guys. Sorry. it bouncing here? Let's see. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it or no? Mm. Might be bouncing, man. I'm ready. I added more to my Cetus bag, my Cetus long leverage that I opened like 20 to 30 minutes ago when I told you guys to. And now I wait and watch. And I still have my ETH short, which is still quite a bit up. All right, what are we doing, man? Okay. If it's bouncing, we might could swing some other shit too. Not seeing a ton of good entries. I mean, these entries are gambles at this point. They're not indicating to me to enter. What are you gonna do, man? You gonna bounce or not? What are we gonna do? Fucking guy won't decide. Again, keep your short open and keep your long open for now. Because like you should have entered your short around here today. Like if you were getting another one, and I wouldn't really exit it until I came back to entry. If it came back to entry, I'll probably just exit it. And you open your longs. Literally, you opened your longs here. Again, if that hits entry at exit, I wouldn't risk losing money on either of these trades. But you'd like to hedge one because if either goes, like if it breaks upwards hard, you're gonna print, and if it dumps hard, you're gonna print a lot of money. So either way, you're walking away with something. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break for a bit. I'll probably be on tonight. See you.